Can we take these cuffs off? I'm in your custody. I'm not a fighter.
Just give us 1 second, and then probably, yeah, okay. I need to talk it off. You're not technically in my custody. You're in the sheriff's department's custody.
You assisted.
I understand that, but I'm telling you.
What you don't understand is you're going to hell now.
Okay.
And I'm sorry for that.
Okay.
It was your choice.
Okay. Well, I'm just telling you, explaining whose custody you're in, because
yeah,
we're just
I understand
facilitating
that.
it, so.
Yeah, you're helping criminals do crime. I hope you know that.
Well, I don't think I am, but well,
yeah,
if that's what you assume, all right, Ian. I'm not going to discuss that with you. Go to church every Sunday.
I bet you do. I bet you do go to church every Sunday. And that's why you're as blind as a fucking bat.
I watched him on the cam.
You doing alright?
No, I'm still cuffed.
Yeah, that's just how it is right now, man. I'm just checking, make sure you're doing okay, given the circumstances, right? Obviously, you could be better.
I could
But I
be
gotta
a lot
check on you
better.
every
I
10
could be
minutes.
not experiencing your fucking tyranny right now.
Okay, I just gotta check on you every 10 minutes, so I'll just expect that, okay?
I'm fine
Alright.
if it wasn't for your existence.
Okay.
I love how you guys brought me down here to talk to me just to sit me in here. What a great conversation we're having right now. I don't know, maybe you should come in here. Then you can actually hear me.
Hey Ian, we have a crisis worker coming to talk to you. They're on their way. It'll just be a couple more minutes, okay? All right.
Why did you guys come and get me?
We already explained this to you, Ian.
I understand that, but I don't think you understand what you're doing.
Okay. So like I said, we're gonna have a crisis worker come and talk to you, and then we'll go from there,
What is
okay?
a crisis worker?
So crisis workers are like mental health professionals that work within our
Okay,
county.
and where are they gonna take me? Where are they gonna tell you guys to take me to?
I don't know.
Okay, what's the typical thing? What usually happens?
There is no typical thing. They could just talk to you.
And then what, you guys gonna take me back home?
That's a possibility. I don't know. It depends on what happens.
Okay, what if I choose not to say anything? Then where are you gonna take me?
I don't know. It's up to the crisis worker. So I can't
So-
tell you which way it's gonna happen, unfortunately.
How does a crisis worker have authority to dictate where I go?
Because they're mental health professionals and I'm not, so they're the ones that make decisions in regard to
Okay,
mental
but I
health.
don't understand where the authority is.
Where the authority is?
Yes.
That could be a good question for them. I'm not sure
Like,
how that works, but it's their
how
call
do you
what
guys
happens.
have the authority to just come and take me from my home?
So based on statements that you made, that's why we're having you get a
Are
crisis
my
evaluation.
statements within my First Amendment right?
You're not here criminally.
Okay, that's what was my question.
Yeah, you're not here criminally. This is all
Okay, are
civil.
my statements within my First Amendment right?
You're not here criminally.
Okay, then why am I here?
To talk to a mental health professional.
Under whose instruction?
Under whose instruction?
Whose
Under
authority?
The sheriff's
Who-
department's authority,
So you're committing a federal crime?
if you say so. I'm not gonna argue with you. I'm just
I
telling
mean,
you that's what's gonna
I'm
happen,
just
okay?
trying to understand the situation, okay?
That's understandable.
Like, I don't understand this. Who has the authority to just come pick me up from my house?
So, Corporation Counsel, which is, our mental health professionals, those clinicians, they're licensed, social workers,
Okay, well, who
Okay.
gave the order to come and get me?
the order to come get you.
Yes.
We had to speak with you about things, and so that part
Okay,
of
but somebody
speaking with
gave you guys orders to come to my house to pick me up. You came there with the intention of detaining me and bringing me here.
Correct.
That was the
Mhm.
sole reason why you came. It was not there to talk to me, to investigate me. You guys fucking lied to my face to get me to come outside so you could put me in cuffs.
No.
Yes,
No.
yes, yes.
No, we were there, we still wanna talk with you about your complaint, if you'd wanna talk to us about it.
No, you came
Okay.
there to collect me so I could
So-
talk to this crisis worker.
And you will be
Yes,
talking
you
with
guys
the
are
clinician,
just
okay? But right now, you're detained under, the chapter statute, okay, because we
What
believe that there's
statute? Could you please cite the statute?
5115, okay?
5115?
I can bring you the paperwork and I
Could
can
you, so I
explain it
can
to
read
you.
it right now before the
With the
crisis worker
clinic-
gets here?
The clinician, let me talk, okay, and then you can talk back, okay? But then when the clinician comes and speaks with you, okay, they're very nice, they wanna discuss what's been going
Are they
on,
gonna be able to forgive my attitude? I don't mean to be aggravated.
and explain that to them, okay?
Okay.
If you get upset, it's okay to be upset, it's about a topic that you're passionate about, okay? But right now, you're detained because there's concerns about your mental health and your mental well-being, and so that
You
gives
guys
us.
aren't helping it.
That's what the crisis
But
worker's
that's what
gonna
the
come-
crisis worker is.
Okay, yeah.
You may not like us, right? Like, you can hate us, I totally understand. If you don't like law enforcement, you've had bad interactions with us in the past,
You wanna know
okay?
why?
And,
Because I get arrested for no goddamn reason.
and so, the clinician here, she's a professional, she just deals with mental health, she doesn't do.
She doesn't deal with the law, I understand that.
Mhm.
But you can have a conversation with her, an officer has to be present for that, because they're with them for the safety, but you can discuss things that are going on in your life, or topics that are of concern for you, and that's what they're there to listen for, okay? And they make a determination after that, if you're safe to return home, if there's a plan that they can put in place, she can explain all of this to you. So, we've already had the conversations previously of concerns as law enforcement, So then they come out, that's why she's coming here to meet you here at the police department, okay?
What are your concerns?
The current here as law enforcement, she already knows what those concerns are.
Okay, but I don't.
Okay.
Don't you think it might be nice to let me know your own concerns?
Yes, she'll discuss them with you.
And we'll come in for that, so, she should be on her way, right?
Yeah, she should be here any minute now. Okay?
I don't mean to be
You're fine.
aggravated and frustrated, okay, but I am.
Mhm,
I can't separate my emotions from the situation right now,
mhm.
okay? But I don't, obviously, members of this department got concerned enough to pull
Correct.
this.
Correct.
Okay, I don't understand. What are your concerns?
My concerns?
What is this department's
So-
concerns to the point where you think that I need mental health service?
So, and we can discuss that with you, but you're gonna talk with the clinician and stuff like that. You have rights, right? You invoked your Fifth Amendment right now, okay? They'll read you your rights, and if you don't wanna speak to them after that, that's fine, okay?
Yeah, then you guys haul me off to probably the loony bin.
We don't make that determination, I'm gonna be completely honest with you.
No, you guys just, take me from my home.
Okay. So, that's the situation, that's what you see.
Do I seem crazy?
I don't put crazy.
Okay,
I don't
everyone
use
has
crazy as the
judgment
word.
of others.
Mhm.
Do I seem mentally unwell enough to where I can't be back home with my family?
So we're not mental health professionals.
I
We
know
don't make
that,
that
but-
determination.
but-
I'm not
you know
here
what?
to judge you, Ian, okay? How I see you is I see that you're somebody that's passionate about a lot of things, okay? You're a father. It sounds like you moved homes recently, okay? So seems to be a lot of things in your life, okay? And that's who I see you as a person. I don't care what your beliefs are, this, that, and the other way, okay? Because we as police officers are supposed to see everybody as equal, and that's what we're doing, and we're also supposed to protect people, and,
You're doing a fantastic job with my life.
okay. So, like I said, and you can have any view you want of me, that's fine. Okay, but when the clinician comes, I just respect that you have a conversation with her, and if your tone of voice, if you already recognize how your tone of voice might come across, maybe just preface that with her, so then she doesn't feel like
You're the wrong impression.
not the wrong impression, but that you're,
I tend to do that, and I don't mean to.
We'll give her a heads up.
okay? So, I'm gonna ask this now because you've been cooperative with me. Are you thirsty at all?
I
Are you-
am actually. Can I have some water?
Okay, you like some water?
Could I?
Okay, because you're not technically in my custody right now, you're in the sheriff's department's custody, I will ask
Yep, she'll be here in a couple minutes. We'll have you talk to her and then we'll get you some water, okay?
water and stuff like that. Do you have to use the restroom? Or you good?
I'm good.
Okay, sounds good.
Alright, she should be here in a couple minutes, okay?
Thank you. Why would you offer me water if you can't bring me any?
I heard you.
Thank you.
I gotta do it like this right now, cause
That's,
the sheriff, I would,
I'm thirsty,
Yeah,
alright, I
alright.
appreciate it.
alright, ready?
Thank you.
No need more?
I don't like being treated like I'm a fucking baby.
Oh,
But
I mean,
understand.
I can't, I mean,
get it,
that's not
I
the
get it,
sheriff's
I
department
get it,
policy on that
I
one.
get it.
So,
It's just,
she should be pulling up, so, I know, and then we'll see if maybe you can do the front or whatnot, but, alright?
alright.
Hi, Ian.
Hey there,
My name's Emma.
Emma?
Yep.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you. I work.
I'll step out of the room if you're good talking to Emma.
I'm fine, I mean,
Feel fine?
can we
What are you more
talk like,
comfortable with?
without cuffs? I would feel like I'd be treated a little bit more like a human being without cuffs on.
Okay, I'm just offering
not
you
a
to be in the
violent
room or
person.
not.
I'm not, like, I understand you're here to talk, I wanna talk, but I hate having cuffs, alright? It just brings back traumatic memories.
Okay. So my policy says I gotta keep you in cuffs. I'm just wondering if you'd be more comfortable with me out of the room or in the room.
I'd be more comfortable with you out of the room,
Okay, that's fine. I'll just be outside.
alright?
Alright.
That way I can focus my attention on whatever you want to talk about.
So what's going on? Why are you here today?
Well, what did they just tell you?
They told me that you were sending like some concerning letters. Like you put some letters on some people's car and you wrote a lot of complaints.
Okay. Is that criminal?
I don't think so.
Then why am I here?
Because they're concerned about the content of
Is that
what you
criminal?
wrote. I'm not sure. I don't think so.
Then why am I here?
To talk to me.
I get that, alright. Because right now I have to negotiate my freedom with you.
So I just wanna know what's going on with you.
It's a long story.
Okay. I got plenty of time. You can start from wherever you wanna start.
Even if I explain it fully, I don't think you could ever understand.
Okay.
Because you have to live the experiences. But I get in this cycle. I express
Mhm.
my thoughts and opinions, and I end up in cuffs for it. And I'm sorry, but expressing my thoughts and opinions through my First Amendment is not criminal.
Mhm.
But I feel like I'm being punished right now for exercising constitutional rights.
Mhm.
And now I have to negotiate with you my freedom, which I don't think I'm gonna get. I think you're gonna send me somewhere besides my home, which is just gonna cause more trauma.
Mhm. Why do you think that the police would be concerned with what you were writing? Why you were expressing, like, your First Amendment rights?
Because I get the impression that I scare people,
Okay.
and I don't mean to.
Okay.
I tend to tell them the truth, and I have learned that being honest can make you hated. Speaking the truth can make you a target, and then when you start speaking the truth about people, about truths that they don't want to accept,
Mhm.
they target you. So that's what's going on.
Okay. What are some truths that you have that maybe other people don't agree with?
That I live underneath a tyrannical government
Okay.
who likes to abuse their power and personal authority
Mhm.
to throw me in cuffs and detain me and take me from my family for
Mhm.
simply exercising my First Amendment right, which is not criminal.
Mhm.
I don't think a lot of people would understand that because they don't have the life experiences that I do. But at the end of the day, are my letters First Amendment protected? Are they constantly protected acts?
You'd have to ask the officer about constitutional
Okay.
protections.
I get that. I don't understand where the legal authority is here
Mhm.
to put me in cuffs and do this, considering the fact that what they're concerned about
Mhm.
is a First Amendment constitutionally protected right.
I think some of the letters may be taken as threatening, like threats to harm people.
Is there?
Yeah, some of them.
Could you grab one of my letters and please point out exactly where I'm threatening people?
There's quite a few spots.
Okay, could we go over them?
I don't have a physical copy, I just saw them electronically. I don't know who has the actual copy. Did you bring it here or was it in Brookfield?
Excuse me, I got taken out of my bed.
Did you it sounds like you dropped some off at Brookfield today,
Did I?
some letters?
I don't know.
Okay. Sounds like you moved out of your apartment this morning? Were you planning on moving somewhere else?
My lease is up.
Okay,
I had to move.
okay. Do you have another place figured out, or are you
Yeah,
gonna
the
stay
place I was.
with your parents? Okay.
For now.
Do you have access to any guns, or do you own any guns?
No.
No. Okay.
I have no intention of hurting anyone, not myself, not others, alright? I express my viewpoints,
Mhm.
my beliefs, which is not criminal. It's well within my First Amendment right. And I experienced this. And it's,
Mhm.
I don't like the trauma.
Mhm.
I don't like experiencing this type of stuff from authorities.
It's understandable.
But yet here I am again, and I got taken away from my family again, under what I perceive as unjust reasons.
Mhm.
Because regardless of how my words make people feel, they are First Amendment protected, constitutionally protected.
Mhm.
So the reaction from authorities to my constitutionally protected act, I think is unjust.
Mhm.
I have negative feelings about it. I don't like having these feelings, but you know what? I'm not the one that keeps on abusing the power and authority to take me away from my family and kids.
Mhm.
I'm happy then.
How many kids do you have?
3,
Okay, boys, girls?
2 boys and a little girl.
Okay. Are they young, old?
They are.
Young? Good ages? Fun?
The age gap is just far enough to where it's difficult.
Yeah.
Like, do you have kids?
No.
Then you would never understand, but,
Yeah.
yeah. So when am I going after this?
I'm not sure.
Well, they said it's up to you.
It's up to me.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure what's gonna happen next, but I'll let you know when we kind of figure that out.
What do you mean you're not sure?
I have to talk to my boss too.
Who's your boss?
My boss at Crisis.
Do you have a name?
I do, yeah.
Could I have the boss's name?
I'll talk to them.
So, who makes the determination here about what happens from here?
Crisis.
So you.
Me and my supervisor. Mhm.
Okay, what, 2 options probably on the table.
Mhm.
What are they?
So you could be placed on an emergency detention to be evaluated for mental health treatment.
Is there any other option?
The other option is we would do nothing. So those are kind of the 2 options we have.
Okay, but you didn't even voice out the second option, was telling me we're probably already have chosen the first option in your head, right?
I have to talk to my supervisor. Just trying to figure out like why everyone's concerned and get your perspective on it.
Their concerns, they don't like the First Amendment. Like, you need to really kind of consider that, like, First Amendment,
Mhm.
constitutionally protected act, right?
I believe so. I'm not a lawyer, so I can't.
And so, I mean, they're getting people that know nothing about the law to make a determination about my freedom based on First Amendment protected activities.
The determination I have to make is based on if there's concerns that you're a risk to yourself or others.
Do I seem like it?
Well, based on some of the things you've written, yeah, there's
Okay,
a lot of concerns.
are you gonna judge a book by its cover? Like, you learn a lot more about a person by talking to them.
Mhm.
Do I seem like that? I'm not trying to put on an act here. I'm not trying to trick you. I feel like that you people are trying to trick me.
I'm just trying to get a better understanding for the things that you were writing and the concerns that are in there about like some of the statements you made about like people seeing their judgment day and.
Okay, is that within my First Amendment right to have those beliefs?
You can have beliefs. My concern is the threat that's behind it.
What is the threat?
That you're going to bring people to their judgment day.
No, that's not how Judgment Day works.
Okay.
Judgment Day works, people judge themselves by casting judgment. I'm just a catalyst
Mhm.
in my mind. If you really want to filter this whole situation through those beliefs,
Mhm.
if you judge me, you're judging yourself.
It sounds like too you're interested in the VFW.
I was interested in, yes, attending the DFW to show my respect and everything for veterans and just,
Okay.
but I can't.
How come you can't go there?
Because I went there and I thanked them for their service, and then I handed an officer a letter,
Okay.
and, not an officer, a, military personnel. And then 20-some days after that, I got banned for exercising my First Amendment right.
What was in the letter?
Well, you didn't get that one?
No.
Then you have incomplete information that you're going off of to make your determination about where I go.
When did that occur, when you got banned?
Years ago.
Okay. And the ban, is it forever? Like you can never go back there, or
It's
is there like a
indefinite,
time?
yes, and I have an
limit?
issue with that.
Okay.
But I've tried doing it the right way. I came here initially and I asked them if it was still in place. Yes, they told me that they would call the VFW to see if there was a way that they could help me.
Mhm.
Great. VFW doesn't want me, alright, whatever.
Okay.
But like, I try to do the things the right way and it keeps getting me in trouble. It's
Mhm.
not right. I report crimes
Mhm.
of government against me and my rights,
Mhm.
and I end up in cuffs. And it happens over and over and over. It's traumatic.
Mhm.
It gives me complex post-traumatic stress disorder.
Mhm. Have you ever seen a therapist before?
A therapist?
Mhm.
Court-ordered, kind of. Counselor. I wouldn't really call him a therapist.
Just someone to talk to about your feelings.
Yeah, because everyone gets concerned when I
Mhm.
start voicing my opinions.
Mhm. Did you find counseling helpful?
No,
Okay.
because I felt like I was talking to a brick wall. Because
Okay.
they lack understanding. They lack awareness of what's really going on in the world.
Okay.
And I wish I could convey understanding enough to where people understood, but
Mhm.
I talk to people and it's like talking to a brick wall. They're incapable of understanding because I can't give you guys my life experiences.
Mhm. Yeah, I get that. It's hard to understand if you've never been in that person's shoes.
It's difficult.
Mhm.
And every single time I gotta talk about it, I gotta reopen up old wounds.
Mhm.
Like, it's not...
Have you ever wanted to hurt yourself?
No,
Okay. Have you ever done anything to try to hurt yourself?
no. Like, I have kids. I care, I live for my kids, their future.
Mhm.
Unfortunately, I also live in a situation where I keep experiencing life experiences like this.
Mhm.
Which, if you really put yourself in my shoes and try to view the situation from my viewpoint,
Mhm.
through the limited understanding of my life experiences that you have, I see tyranny. I exercise First Amendment rights,
Mhm.
and I'm punished for what? Thought crimes? Presumptions? Assumptions? Like, is that what's going on? Because it really feels like it.
Mhm.
I asked a question, you just sit this down. Like,
Well, I'm not a criminal investigator, so I don't know.
no,
You know what the
you're here to
consequences are.
determine my mental health state, right?
Mhm.
I'm just trying to convey that, but it's really hard without giving you the life experiences, and they're only giving you a tiny bit of the information, so you're working off of limited information.
Mhm. That's why I'm here to talk to you, to get information from you. I'm just trying to understand kind of like what was going through your mind when you were writing those complaints and those letters.
Every time I got arrested unjustly, I would like justice in my life. Is that wrong?
No, you just have to do it in a
Is
way that's
depriving
safe.
me of justice wrong?
Mhm.
It is wrong, right? Okay.
Mhm.
You know how many times I've been to the FBI?
No, I don't. Like you've gone to see the FBI?
To their field office in Milwaukee.
Okay.
4 times to report crimes.
Okay.
You know what typically happens?
I don't know.
Nothing, or I get arrested. You know, I can prove
Mhm.
crimes against my rights beyond a reasonable doubt with plenty of evidence, and I can present it to the FBI, and you know what they're supposed to do with it?
Investigate it.
And if there's evidence of a crime, you know what they're supposed to do with it?
Continue forward with it.
By doing what?
Talking to the prosecutor. I
Exactly.
would think.
You know I'm currently banned from the prosecutor's office down in Milwaukee? The attorney's office, the federal attorney's office, are you aware of that?
Mm-mm,
Do you know why?
I don't know.
Because I reported crimes to them.
What kind of crimes do you report?
Crimes against my First Amendment rights,
Okay.
just like now. And you understand how this keeps happening over and over now? Like, I just told you several things that you have no idea about. And you're here to make a determination about my freedom. It's not right. There's so much that you don't know. You say I should do things the right way? I try. So I voice my written opinion and beliefs
Mm-hmm.
to these people because I'm not getting justice.
Mm-hmm.
I'm never going to get justice because these people are depriving me of it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, do you understand how bad that is for someone's psyche?
What does justice look like for you?
Them in cuffs, not me.
Okay. Have you ever had thoughts about like anything else you'd like to see happen to anyone?
No, I just want to see people do their jobs. But you know what? Every time I try to get someone to do their jobs, I end up in cuffs. It's not right. I'm the victim here. I get abused. I have my rights abused. I report them, and I get thrown in jail.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have to spend thousands of dollars in lawyer fees, legal fees, fighting against charges that should have never been applied to me.
Mm-hmm.
And then at the end of the day, I get exonerated in court. I get proven through my jury and my peers that I was not committing the crime that I was being accused of committing by my federal government.
Mm-hmm.
But does that undo the arrests, the time for my family, the trauma that I experienced? No, it doesn't. And what did I do wrong? I reported crimes to the FBI. It's not right what you people are doing right now.
Have you been visiting any like National Guard centers or anything?
No.
No. Okay. Putting letters on anyone's cars?
No.
No. Okay. Okay. Well, thanks for chatting with me.
Thanks for helping assist them in their charity, I guess.
Hey, Ian, doing okay?
It's okay as I'm gonna be in the situation, I guess.
Understandable. So, a chapter has been approved.
I heard.
Okay. Do you know what that means?
It means I'm going somewhere besides my home.
To get some mental health treatment. Yep. So, I'm gonna read you your legal rights under chapter 5115, okay? So you have the right to an attorney. A public defender will be appointed to you. You may hire your own attorney if you wish.
Where are we going?
I don't know yet. I'm just gonna read through these rights,
You
and then
don't
we
know
can.
what facility I'm going to?
No,
I'm not going to jail?
you're not going to jail. No, you haven't done anything criminal.
No, that's why I don't understand why this is even happening.
Yep, because this is civil, this is a mental health issue, you have nothing criminal right now.
The only people that are giving me mental health issues is the authorities in my government who refuse to enforce the law equally.
Okay. So, Ian, I'm gonna read you through these rights, and then we can
So
talk
I
more
guess
after
I'm
that.
the crazy one.
I don't think you're crazy, I just gotta read you these rights, and then we'll keep going, okay?
Then
So-
why are you guys throwing me in a fucking mental ward?
Because a chapter was approved on you.
Yes, I know, because you people let you abuse your power and authority in the face of me exercising constitutionally protected rights. It's not right. But you
I'm
know
not
what?
the one that-
The government's gonna do what the government's gonna do.
Okay,
Because
Ian,
you're all corrupt.
I'm gonna
as
finish
hell.
reading your rights here, okay?
I don't fucking care. What's the point? I have no rights.
Okay, I have to read these to you, okay?
What's the point? It's fucking garbage. Go burn it. Go throw it in the fucking fire because that's what it is.
Okay, you'll get a copy of this, so if you wanna do that, you can do that, okay? So you have the right to consult with your attorney before a request is made for voluntary treatment. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to refuse medication and treatment except as ordered by a court unless a doctor determines there is an emergency. You have the right to be examined by a doctor. You have the right to have a copy of the petition or statement of emergency detention. You have the right, I'm just gonna finish this, it's
Go
a
ahead,
couple
read it.
more.
I was not talking to you, I'm talking to him.
Alright, you have the right to contact a member of your family. You have the right to a hearing to determine if there is probable cause for an involuntary commitment. The court hearing will be held within 72 hours after you have been taken into physical custody, exclusive of weekends and legal holidays.
No, thank you.
You have the right to a final commitment hearing within 14 days from the time you have been taken into physical custody. You have the right to a jury trial. You must demand a jury trial 48 hours before the final hearing, otherwise a jury trial is waived. The above rights have been given to me orally in writing. Gonna put today's date on here.
And you'll give me a copy of that?
Yep, you get a copy of this.
And it's coming with me?
Yeah, all the
Okay.
paperwork is.
You're gonna have to help me a little bit more than this, or you're gonna have to just uncuff me so I can put my shoes on. You're literally gonna put me my shoes on like I'm a kid.
Yeah, well,
You
that
gotta,
or no shoes,
I mean, if you don't mind doing it, you gotta get your thumb behind the heel, man. Come on.
should've grabbed you like.
Can we just, like, can I put my own shoes on?
Yeah. Nope.
Yeah, I know,
We'll figure it out
because you
after.
guys have me cuffed. Like, 30
We'll
seconds.
have you stand up then.
30 seconds. Can't drink my own water, and I can't put my own shoes on.
We'll let you put your own shoes on, okay? Just give me 1 second.
But I get to see a judge within 72 hours about this?
That's correct, exclusive of weekends though, so it might be a little bit longer because it's Friday.
What happened at my house after I left?
Nothing. We just went back and asked for shoes.
Alright.
Why?
Because I know authorities and they like to try to use my family against me.
We just talked to your wife.
That's alright. I was just curious.
Did he have any other property with him?
No, you had the 2 coins.
2 coins?
Spiritual points.
Okay.
Yep.
Those will just go with you then, okay?
I would definitely appreciate it because it makes me feel closer to God.
You what?
I said I would definitely appreciate it because it makes me feel closer to God to have those.
Okay. They'll be, with us the whole time then, okay?
What kind of coins are these? I mean,
Solomon.
they're what?
You know King Solomon?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's that type of stuff.
okay.
I believe one is, yeah, that's, archangels.
Okay. Just never seen anything like that.
Okay.
Very cool.
That'll-
So Ian, since you've been cool with us, I'll take the cuffs off for a little bit. You can put your shoes on, take a drink, and then I'll have you sign this that I read you your rights, and then the cuffs gotta go back on, okay?
That's fine. I just give me the dignity of letting me put my own shoes on.
I got you.
I believe those are mailing stuffs.
Your mailings?
Was this entire interview placed?
Recorded.
Yeah.
Yep.
So I can file an open records request for it?
Yep. You
Absolutely.
file a squad camera.
Can I get a open records request, take with me so I can fill it while
I will get you one. Yep.
I appreciate it. 'cause I got nothing else to do, I'm gonna be in wherever I'm at, but I can at least get that type of stuff.
Works for me.
So, I appreciate it. If we just send me the proper paperwork and forms, so I can fill it out.
Okay, you want the open records request one, then?
Yeah.
I don't,
So I
I don't
can
know,
get-
I don't know if they have,
I want that camera.
yeah, you can get that camera.
Yeah,
Everything that was
um,
said in this room,
but
that's what I want.
This is like the Heartland open records request one, so like, the report that he's gonna have, like, you're gonna have to separately do an open records request through the sheriff's department.
For the squad.
But this footage will be
For,
on.
for the footage, it'll be through us.
I'm mostly looking for what
Yeah.
that camera just recorded.
Yeah, we can definitely do that for you.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
Okay.
good. Yeah, there's gonna be like a larger fee, it's not like the paper fee,
That's
but
fine, I gotta pay for my own evidence, I get it.
that's nice. Okay.
Yeah, if you could just sign here that I read you these rights. Source citation signature, you can read through it if you'd like.
Can I have the water bottle?
Alright, I'll have you stand up. Appreciate it. There, there. Double lock these so they don't tighten up on you.
2 coins. Tied up.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
And then we're getting an open records request form for you.
I appreciate it.
Alright, we'll just hang tight till we get that form done. Next step is we gotta go to the hospital, get you medically cleared. So whenever we take someone to a mental health facility, they gotta make sure you're good to go, like
Yeah.
physically. So they just gotta check you out for like an hour or two in the
I get the
hospital.
procedure aspect that we're gonna
Okay.
go through from here, I get it,
Just trying to let you know what's going on, okay?
appreciate it.
Do you wanna get your car? You wanna drive it up here?
Yeah, sure. Did you take the form that was on the back? Oh, it's over there.
It's over there. Yeah, go get your car.
Alright, yeah, I think this. That's the form.
Yep, there's that.
Okay.
I apologize for my attitude in the beginning of this whole situation.
You're alright. All good.
It's hard not to get upset.
I understand.
If you were the one in cops, I'm sure you'd be upset too.
Hey, I understand,
And I understand you're just doing your job.
so,
I just don't agree with the way it's been applied.
and that's,
It's a matter of opinion, I guess.
yep, and everybody's entitled to them, right?
Apparently not, because I wouldn't be in cuffs if I did.
Okay.
Do you remember the name of that crisis officer?
The correct clinician,
Whoever the lady was,
Emma?
Emma? She didn't give me the name of her supervisor.
You'll have to call Health and Human Services for that. Usually if you call crisis, when you go there, you can talk with them. There, where you're headed, or after the hospital, that all the supervisors, they all run out of the
Do you
same.
know where that might be?
Waukesha Mental Health, that's where they're out of.
Okay, but I mean, do you know what facility they're gonna be?
No, I don't know what facility specifically
Yeah.
where their offices are, but they all come from Waukesha Mental Health.
Alright, all set? We'll go to my squad then.
Yeah, I just